Hello all, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll discuss about the business model canvas for the Y Combinator company called Tenyx. So we'll discuss about what is Tenyx and what it entails, what is the business model of Tenyx, and also what are the business model canvas surrounding the company called Tenyx. So imagine you walk into a warehouse, a retail store, or a factory. What do you see? Cameras, right? Thousands of them. For decades, these cameras have been just mindless recording devices. They record data, but they don't understand it. We sit there capturing petabytes of video that no one ever watches until something goes wrong. Today, we are breaking down the business model of Tenyx, a Y Combinator S 2021 company that is changing that narrative. Tenyx isn't just building security software, they are building the snowflake of vision. Their goal is to turn existing video infrastructure into a stream of actionable business intelligence. Let's walk through their business model canvas to understand how they monetize this vision. So first, we'll start with the value proposition and customer segments. So this is just heart of the canvas, right? So value proposition and customer segments. Traditionally, if a company wanted AI insights from their cameras, like counting customers or detecting safety violations, they need a team of data scientists and months of integration time. Tenyx removes this friction and their value proposition is threefold. One is infrastructure agnostic. They work with cameras you already own. Then next, the second one is no code AI. Business analysts, not just engineers, can develop models. And the third one is operational intelligence. They shift the use case of from security to operations. This opens up customer segments. While security firms are a target, the real money is in enterprise retail, like tracking footfall and conversion and so on, and also manufacturing, the monitoring assembly line safety, and logistics, optimizing the warehouse flow. These are industries sitting on gold mines of video data, but lacking tools to extract it. So, how do they make money? So, we'll be now looking at the revenue streams. So, Tenyx operates primarily on a B2B SaaS model. They likely charge based on volume, either per camera stream connected or per volume of video data processed. For large enterprises, this moves to enterprise licensing with annual contracts. There's also a component for professional services, helping large client integration. Integrate Tenyx into their legacy VMS. VMS is nothing but visual video monitoring systems or video management systems. On the other side, there is the cost structure. So, cost structure is heavy on research and development. Building a platform that can ingest various video formats and run low latency AI models requires top tier machine learning engineering talent, right? So that is expensive. Secondly, computing is a major thing that whose cost might vary a little bit. Processing video is computationally intensive, so their margin optimization depends on how efficiently they can run inference, potentially pushing some processing to the edge to save cloud costs. Like the camera's processing power, they push it to the edge to save the cost. Then comes the key like engine room of it. That is the key activities and partnerships. Tenyx isn't just selling; they are not just selling softwares; they are managing an ecosystem. Their key activity is platform development. That is keeping their AI models accurate and their pipeline stable. But they cannot do it alone, right? So they need key partnerships. Key partnerships are critical for any company. They need to integrate with hardware vendors like Axis or HIK Vision, so their software just works with the cameras. So whatever cameras are already there, it will fit with for that particular cameras. They also partner with cloud providers like AWS to host the heavy lifting. Their key resources are their proprietary AI platform and their engineering team. In this market, IP is the moat. If their models are faster and more accurate than a custom build, customers will not leave. So, concluding, the strategic moat is that why does this model work? Tenyx solves a last mile problem. The cameras are already installed, the data is already flowing, the only missing piece is the intelligence layer. By positioning themselves as the infrastructure layer, the snowflake for vision, they avoid being boxed into a security software, which is a low margin commodity. Instead, they become a critical operations tool. The challenge is sales cycles in enterprise hardware are long, but if they can standardize video data the way Snowflake standardized database data, Tenyx isn't just a Y Combinator company, it's a future category leader. Thank you.